Shall I go to a masjid? That's a good question. I got two masjids here. One is close, and they do bid'ah, and another one which is a bit further away. Walking to it is not practical. It's not convenient. It's far. It's going to make me miss my work, miss my salah, and I need to have a car. Which one there takes? That depends upon the bid'ah that you're talking about in that masjid which is close. Because not every bid'ah drives the person away from the masjid. So if this masjid advocates and promotes and prompts people like the Sufis, like the Brahwis, I would not pray in that masjid. I will take a plane, never mind a car, to a masjid who is farther away from this masjid. Okay, so I would not pray. But if the bid'ah is there, it's not really that much. It's a person, you find that the people, they pray their normal prayer. The prayer is not fast, not supersonic fast, and it's not fast. But maybe you find the imam after the prayer, he raises up his hands. Like, for example, that one. That is not sunnah, it's bid'ah, but I'm just saying that bid'ah does not drive me away from the masjid or say to me that better to pray at home. Or I would say you come with this walking unless you're encouraging other people to think that that masjid is upon the sunnah. Then it would be better to go with the car to that. So you are the best person to decide how much bid'ah and how strong is this bid'ah and how much is masjid promoting their bid'ah.